I don't know. Was it a win this week? I don't know. What's going on, YouTube? Week 4, Devlogs. Still alive? This week I'm trying to make the map look more organic. So right now it looks really squarish, as you can see in this picture. But if you switch out certain stone tiles, you can get a way more organic look. Unity already has a system that does this, and for some reason I didn't use that because I thought I could implement it because I'll need it for the interactables. But here we go. This is how it went. All right, I'm gonna draw some art today. I'm having trouble visualizing every possible case for the ruled tile. So I think drawing one case at a time will be better than just trying to think of every possible situation. That's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully with the help of Picasso. Joe! Picasso! Joe, come here! Oui! Joe! Picasso! Joseph! I present to you Picasso. So obviously this looks pretty bad, but that's because, like for instance this one, this is how it's supposed to appear. Not bad. Cross your fingers. I hope that this works because I just have to write another for loop. Yes, this one correctly, this one. Let's go, baby, let's go. It's doing it. This is a lot easier for me to visualize because I can see which cases make sense versus don't. I don't know, dude. It might not look too bad. Especially if I start getting more of these in. Obviously, it sticks out because it's sticking out. Let's draw some more sprites today, I guess. All right, let's see. This is a lot of just repetitive crap, and it doesn't feel like I'm doing this correctly. A lot of this, yeah, it's just cosmetics, really. It's not really huge fundamentally to the game. I don't know. Was it a win this week? I don't know. It's good prototype of what I want to do in the future. It shows you guys what I'm thinking about mentally, but I'm doing something wrong, I think. There's this weird scale where you need your game to look good, but you also need functionality and gameplay, and you have to balance, because if your game looks like ass, why would anyone want to watch the videos, right? Nobody wants to watch ass, right? There's other platforms to watch ass. Just not good looking games. It's tough. It's such a freaking balancing act where you want to make something that looks good because it looks good on YouTube and it'll maybe get more viewers, but then the game doesn't have any functionality because I'm literally adding sprites that don't do anything to the game, whereas like I could be adding mining and resource dropping and all this crap. So I probably need to move on to adding more functionality. But also, please, if there's a better way to do this, obviously the rule tiles already exist in Unity, so maybe that's what I should be doing, is just importing that crap that they already have. But the problem I have with that is that my game objects, the mountains and like walls and stuff that you build, need this exact same functionality, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to implement that. Like, you can't implement it with Unity's implementation because that's only for tiles, and I need to do the exact same thing, but the interactive objects are not in the tile system. They're in my own 2D array, basically. So I'm in this weird, whoopsie doopsie area where I don't know. Also, it just doesn't matter. Also, like, this game isn't being played. It's not for sale right now. There's nothing. So I might as well just let her rip and just make a game that's fun, and maybe I can let my freaking roommates play it. So although this week was not maybe the most productive week as far as gameplay and functionality goes. I did get some stuff done. Like, it looks good, better, in my opinion, it looks better. And I just had a mental breakthrough, too. So, next week, functionality, we're getting more gameplay, baby, and we're screwing the art. Screwing it. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been a interesting one. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend. And maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Look. Yes, on doggy, go.